How to lock any application with Face ID or passcode on iPhone. Firstly, open the shortcut application on your iPhone device. At the bottom, as you can see, there is a section called Automation. Now tap on the plus sign at the very top right. This is a way of adding automation to your iPhone. Now scroll all the way down until you see the app. Simply click on the Choose button. Now you can simply search and choose the applications that you would like to lock with your Face ID and passcode on your iPhone. For example, on the screen I have decided to lock my Instagram and Snapchat with Face ID and passcode every time I open it. As you can see on the screen, it is ticked on the Run After Confirmation. Instead of this, tap on the Run Immediately. Select Next. Now click on the new blank automation. Tap on Add Action and simply search for lock screen. Then click on the Done, and that's it. This is how you can lock your application with Face ID or passcode. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.